What do you think of this place back here?
It's cool.
What do you think they call this place?
I don't know.
Speak louder.
I don't know.
Okay. Well.
I have a sip.
Well, that's not the way the directional mic should work. Wow, that's big. Alright, so. Now, this is kind of a crazy setup. That's a big mic going in front of me. That's bigger than those Rode mics that they have in other vlogs. So you found a stick?
Yeah.
Creepy. What's that? Oh, there's trust me, there's not that many bugs back here now. You should see this place in the summertime. We wouldn't even be able to stand back here. There's so many bugs. Strawberry flies would be carrying us away.
Okay, you hold on to this.
Okay, time to go look for birds. We're gonna go birding.
You mean bird watching?
What do you know about birding?
It's bird watching.
Yeah, but I think the short name's for it's birding. He's a birder.
So what would be the slang name for birding? Birding?
Yeah, like I'm birding today.
You're birding today?
Yeah, I guess.
No, because birding. I don't know what a birding is.
Yeah. What does it mean?
Look it up. I'm pretty sure our viewers would know what birding means.
What do you think? Well, what does birding mean?
A burden?
Like a burden, the burden of proof? I'll never be your beast of burden? By the Rolling Stones. I'll never be your beast of burden. You want to go down to that place where they have all the World War II stuff?
Maybe.
The sea, what do they call that? The seafarers?
I don't know.
Hello. Hey. There's a lot of kids.
Mm-hmm.
About 5 of them. Pretty peaceful out here. You can't even hear the ocean.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you moved here like in the 20s, would you live back here?
No.
This might be what it looked like right on the beach. You'd be a couple hundred yards from the beach right now. You hungry?
A little.
What would you like to eat today, young man?
I don't know. Rest of that cheesesteak.
Are you still have that half a cheesesteak?
Yeah.
I ate it.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
I ate it last night.
No, you didn't.
When I came in.
No, you didn't.
I'm still hungry.
No, you didn't.
I'm gonna get a fresh one.
You didn't eat my cheesesteak.
I'm gonna get a fresh cheesesteak. Best cheesesteak ever.